Hey there, beautiful. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. And in today's video, I will be doing a wig show and tell featuring a gorgeous unit from Klaiyi Hair. If you're interested in this wig, you'll find the direct link in my description box along with other helpful links. Plus, all of Klaiyi Hair's social media information will be listed there as well. Now let's talk about this stunning packaging. Klaiyi Hair is really showing out with this vibrant green box. Inside, the wig was neatly packaged and they also included some free goodies, which I always appreciate. I received 2 HD wig caps, white press-on nails, a Klaiyi Hair melting band, a silk wig storage bag, hairline tape, which I'm especially grateful for because with this installed, that's all you're going to need. Stay tuned to see exactly what I mean. Here's a close-up look at the inside of the cap. There's a 13x4 frontal parting space. They pre-cut the lace as well for easy installation. There's one comb at the nape area along with adjustable straps and a removable elastic band that can be used for an extra snug fit. They pre-applied hairline tape near the ear tabs. One thing I always love about Klaiyi Hair is that they do a great job pre-bleaching the knots. The hair comes pre-curled and the texture feels silky soft. Plus, the cap is made with breathable stretch fit material, making it extra comfortable to wear. Since this is a pre-everything wig, there is not really much left to do, so let's just jump straight into the install. Stay tuned to see how effortless this process is and why this wig just might be your next favorite. So, like I said, the hair comes pre-curled. I even got a curler for the bang. So I took up my Ruby Kisses cream foundation and I used both shades. First, I applied some of the foundation underneath the lace, but only to the spots that was showing, that is the parting space and hairline. And I also applied a little bit on top of the lace because I missed a few parts. So I don't use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I thought I was, but Maybelline Fit Me powder is good to use too as well if you want your lace to match your skin tone. Next, I'm going to get this hairline to stay down by removing that strip from the hairline tape to get it to stick to my skin. First, you could definitely go in and clean your skin with alcohol, but for me, I just put it straight on. I felt like my skin was clean enough and it had a good stick. The stick was not going nowhere without a hard tug, and there was no reason for me to tug it hard. I'm not getting into a girl fight or nothing. The hairline on the lace comes pre-plucked as well, so I'm glad I didn't have to touch up the plucking. It looks really great. That's a great feature to have for when the wind is blowing outside, showing the front of your lace. So now time to do the styling. The hair came pre-curled, so all I'm gonna do is just finger comb plus comb until I get my desired end results. But I don't wanna comb too much, so I don't feel like there's no need to comb too much. So yeah. So the bangs is a little too long for my liking, which is a good thing because I would like to go in and customize my bangs to where I would like it. And I'm just gonna take my time and trim the bangs until I get the desired length I want. And I'm not gonna chop too much off. I'm just gonna take my time and work my way up. It's good to take your time than just trying to get it right the first time, because sometimes when you try to get it right the first time, it ain't always right. That's one thing I learned with bangs, so just letting y'all know. And I love how thin the bang is, like definitely not too thick, not too thin. Really nice for the winter. And bada boom, bada bang, that's it. That's it. That's all, folks. Right here is my end result. And on their website, this is Klaiyi 13 by 4 3D fluffy body wave lace frontal wig with bangs and layers, pre-everything, put on and go human hair wigs. This is a lovely everyday wig. Nice for the office, nice to go to the supermarket, just be on the go, like the title said. The length of the wig that I have on is 24 inches. And let's say you like this wig, but the length is a little too long for you. They also have 16, 18, 20, 22, and 26. And this is a 13 by 4 pre-everything wig, 150% density. I like the density. It's not too thick, not too thin, really nice for every day. I like the fact that I could split my hair in the back and my tracks isn't showing. And they did a great job bleaching the knots. Like, it looks like the wig is coming from my own scalp. And if you like this wig, but you don't really want a 13 by 4, they also have a 7 by 5 closure as well. And that density is thicker, which is a 180%. Y'all, it's serious. If I have to come on camera and talk directly to you guys without even doing a voiceover, this wig is beyond gorgeous, and it was so easy straight out of the package. Like, I feel so pretty, and it's been a while since I had a wig that has a bang that I was so in love with. I love everything about this wig right now. I love the face framing, layers and curls. The length is perfect. The lace is looking like Scalpiana, like it's looking like it's coming on my, how closer can I get? It's looking like it's coming on my scalp. I love it. Like, this is definitely a perfect throw on and go wig. Y'all, how beautiful is this wig? Thank you so much, Klaiyi Hair. You guys did an amazing job. Like, I have to do nada. All I have to do was blend the lace to get it to match my skin tone. And then look at that, you don't even need baby hairs because it's giving scalp. So when the wind blows, it's gonna give scalp. And it's so easy to install. Like, you could just use the tape that's on the wig. You could buy more hairline tape and apply it and just put it there and just be on the go. Like, hello, hello, hello. Anybody there? I love it. I love it. I'm definitely gonna try a few more styles with this wig, but I really don't have any cons. Like, when I was combing the hair and finger combing it, I got 0 tangles. As for shedding, I got a few strands of shedding, but honestly, nothing major. Like, it's barely nothing there for me to show you guys. So it's like about 2 to 3 strands. Make sure I'm not bugging if there's more. Yeah, it's really nothing there. The hair texture feels really good. The wig don't have no foul odor. I love the fact that it came pre-styled. All I had to do was touch up the bangs because the bangs was a little too long for me, which I don't mind because some people foreheads are larger and smaller. So it's good to have to customize it than it being way too short for your liking straight out of the package. So I don't have no problem with that as well. I love it. So stay tuned for more styles. Even though this isn't a 360 wig, I can admit the back lays flat. So I love the fact that with the bangs, You can do a few styles. You could do a low ponytail, a high ponytail. Like, this is so cute. I love it. Let me not forget to mention the color. I would say is a natural black color, but this is a human hair wig, so you can dye this wig jet black. You can even bleach it if you would like. I personally like the natural black color, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And the updo style is too cute. Too cute. I do recommend, if you try the updo style, to remove the scunchie in the back that has the ponytail. I just did it like this for the illusion of the updo look, which is really cute. So like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch. I really hope this video helps someone out there. This is just a wig show and tell to show you guys exactly what this wig looked like from their company and how you get it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and be safe out there.